for ant, ants, 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 ants. B is for bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. C is for cicada, 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 cicada. D is for dragonfly, 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 dragonfly. E is for earwig, earwig. F is for firefly, firefly, firefly. G is for grasshopper, 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 grasshopper. H is for honeybee, 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 honeybee. I is for inchworm, inchworm. A, inchworm, 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 inchworm. J is for Junebug, 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 Junebug. K is for katydid, 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 katydid. L is for ladybug, 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 ladybug. Is for mosquito, 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 mosquito. N is for net beetle, net beetle, net beetle, net beetle. O is for orb weaver, orb weaver, orb weaver, orb weaver. P is for praying mantis, 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 mantis. Q is for queen bee, queen bee, queen bee, queen bee. R is for rhino beetle, rhino beetle, rhino beetle, rhino beetle. S is for stink bug, stink bug, stink bug, stink bug. T is for termite, 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 termite. U is for underwing, 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 underwing. V is for velvet ant, velvet ant, velvet ant, velvet ant. W is for water bug, water bug, water bug, water bug. X is for church is blue, church is blue, church is blue, search is blue. Y is for yellow jacket, yellow jacket, yellow jacket, yellow jacket. Z is for zebra butterfly, zebra butterfly, zebra butterfly, zebra butterfly. Now we've sung the ABCs, insects from A to Z with ease. Sing along and buzz with me, the insect song is so much glee. Now we sung the ABCs, insects from A to Z with ease. Sing along and buzz with me.